Okay guys, it's starting. I think this is gonna be the biggest snowstorm that we have for a while. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. Today, or for however many days I vlog, we're going to be documenting the snow in NYC. I wasn't expecting it to come so soon, so I'm gonna quickly go run the errands that I need to run now before it gets worse. I saw the Michael Jackson Broadway show last night, so I need to get that stamp off my hand. I'm wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt, my Ugg snow boots. I'm gonna layer up with the warm coat. I need to go pick up my birth control from the drugstore, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and just grab a few things just so that I have some things in my fridge for the weekend. We don't really know how bad the snowstorm's gonna get. I just wanna be prepared. Bringing this tote bag. I have no makeup on, just a free skin day. And then these earmuffs are super cute, gonna keep me warm. Do I have gloves? Yes, I have gloves. Do I have my wallet and keys? I don't. Snow is starting to come down. I braved the weather. Let's do a haul. Snow day haul. It's kind of like snow day themed. First up, I got a French baguette, some garlic. I do buy my garlic this way. It stays good because they're like in these little packs. And honestly, cooking with garlic makes everything better. Life hack. To go with the French baguette, I got some Gruyere cheese because I think tomorrow we're gonna make some French onion soup. That just sounds like a good snow day comfort food, doesn't it? I got some truffle brie to do a little cheese board, also to go with the French baguette. Yum. These olives looked especially appealing today. Had to get them. Paper towels. For the French onion soup, the recipe that I found on New York Times Cooking called for beef stock, Mary's Gone crackers to go with the cheese. Is it a proper snow day if you don't do like a proper hot chocolate session? It's not. So I got mini marshmallows and whipped cream. This is such good whipped cream. I love this one. Really thick and rich. And then I got Ghirardelli double hot chocolate hot cocoa mix. They didn't have a huge selection, but this sounded delicious. My friend Donna released some of her bakeware. She's like a cutie bakeware line, so they are like mini cupcakes, mini donuts, and I thought that would be another fun snow day activity. So to cook in there, I got, they only had like healthy options. I was just looking for like good old like Duncan Hines or something, but it's okay. We're going a little cleaner. Almond flour baking mix, vanilla cupcake and cake. Simple Mills. And then this is the Miss Jones Baking Co. Confetti Pop Frosting. Donna's line is called Should Look Like This. She also sent me over some of her edible glitter, so I plan to use that on top too. So we have a good mix of like salty, savory. Oh, I didn't get onions for the French onion soup because I already have a bunch of those. I feel good about this proper snow day stock up. I'm gonna put everything away, get a little organized. Took me a while, but we just finished this in the bath. Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover. She doesn't miss. I mean, a good old romance that really tugged at the heartstrings. I didn't like really cry just because I'm in a decent headspace today, but I could have if I really wanted to get there. The ending, like the last like third of the book, it really picks up. It definitely is a good story, but like towards the middle I was like, I gotta keep going, but then like it gets really good. Good old romance. It says a young mother fights to earn a place in her child's life, but is there room for her? I won't give anything else away. I don't like to give crazy spoilers, but I've read so many Colleen Hoover books at this point, and this is definitely like in the top few. All right, this goes back on the shelf, and what's next? Next up, we have book number 2 in the saga. Is this it, or is this the last one? Just kidding, I think this is the last one. So I need to read the second one. Another romancy. You guys told me her name is Ellen Hilderbrand. Sorry, I've been pronouncing it wrong. This is the second in the Winter in Paradise like trilogy, so I'm gonna read this. I've just been on like a kick of like the romancy novels. They're really easy to get through and a good way to like kind of get back into reading if you want something, I don't want to say like lighter because they can be like emotionally dense, but kind of like a world that's not your own sort of vibe. So that's what I'm gonna be reading on a snowy day. The snow is about to start like really coming down, I think. Just did some skincare. I'm wearing this top. I think it's from PJ Harlow, pretty positive. And my splits 59 just like yoga pants for comfort. I'm gonna start that next book right now. I think it's gonna be a really chill night. Like I said, the storm's about to start, so I feel like I'm really like hyping this up, but I think we are supposed to get like a foot of snow, so I kind of want to play in the snow tomorrow, but I don't have snow pants now that I think about it, so I don't know how I would do that. I have a good winter jacket and like gloves, hats, etc., but you know, I even have boots. I have great snow boots. My Ugg snow boots are the best. Other dresser is also still right here. I need it to be moved. My boyfriend's gonna come over and help me move it because it's just like next to my bed. If you didn't know, if you didn't watch the last vlog, I got a new dresser. So now I need to move this one out into the hall. My dad's gonna come pick it up sometime like next week after the storm and stuff. Tonight was gonna be the night that my parents were supposed to come to dinner and like meet my boyfriend, and we were gonna do that, but because of the storm, they're not gonna come now. Not the end of the world, but just like something that I had in my calendar and like in my brain, you know what I mean? I'm actually pretty good and like flexible with changing plans. I know some people it like throws off their entire day and like week and whatever. But I've had a pretty busy week as it is. On Tuesday, we went to the Islanders game. Thursday, which was last night, I went to MJ the musical. So I've just had like a week of kind of like doing a lot. Ever since COVID, I like my threshold for like doing things, I talk about this a little in the podcast, my threshold for like doing things has gone down a lot. I used to be like very, you know, a doer, but I really do enjoy my chill time. But then COVID happened, or I mean, it's still happening, but you know what I mean? Like 2020 happened and everything was canceled. And then I just became like this huge homebody, like didn't really, you know, I would leave the house for a few social things and whatever, but like I really would, you know, if I was doing something big, like going to a museum or whatever, I would do that like once a week and be like, okay, that was my activity of the week. And now I'm trying to become a person that's like doing more rather than just like sitting on my couch all day every day, because I want to like live my life and live my best life. So it's been fun doing things, but at the same time, like I think this weekend I'm gonna need to just like be with myself, do some reading, do some cooking, stuff like that. Here, I'll show you guys the view right now. I guess it's like around sunset time. What time is it? Like 5? Thank gosh the days are starting to get a little bit longer again. That was like a really sad, dark time there for a minute. But yeah, things are getting better. Okay guys, it's the next day and it's a snow day today. I've been doing lots of like snow day type activities. Right now we're making some French onion soup. I'm using a New York Times cooking recipe. They have really, really good recipes. I think you subscribe. I think I want to say I paid like $40 or $50 for the year and you get access to all the recipes. They have really good ones. I've been eating some brie and some baguette. I forgot how good like cheeses with just like a good old baguette. Anyways, cooking up the onions now. Made some hot chocolate earlier. I think I showed you. I put edible glitter on top. The edible glitter that Donna, her line, should look like this, sent over. So freaking cute. I just love a good old snow day. We're cooking up the onions now. Yum yum. I think they have to cook for a while. I think it said like 40 or 50 minutes or so. I also have Ozark going over here. Good stuff. Only like 2 episodes left and it's getting really, really good. They released season 4 part 1, if you guys are wondering. I also really wanted to take some film camera photo sticks. I got this all cranked up finally. I got the battery in, the film. It's all loaded, ready to go, so I really wanted to use this. Okay, so I don't have, you know, soup containers basically for the soup. So I did this in a HelloFresh one time for the top part, because obviously if you do French onion soup, you're supposed to like put it in the oven afterwards, like broil it into like a whole thing. But the way that I did it is I just put, like I cut up the bread and then put the Gruyere cheese on top, and then I'll use that almost as like a crouton on top of the soup. I mean, it's not like 100% perfect, but it works. Extra minutes. I might switch it to broil. This could be my worst decision I've done. Hi guys, I didn't really vlog this weekend. It was a lazy, snowy weekend and I enjoyed every second of it, honestly. I said I was craving a lazy weekend and boy did I have one, and it's pouring over into a lazy Monday, which I don't like, so we're gonna turn that around. Sitting here, drinking my coffee, my computer, planning today's episode of Gals on the Go. This vlog is actually literally going up tomorrow. I can't believe that I'm this backed up. I'm this like close to posting, so I need to kind of like put in another video and then like work on getting ahead. But I'll work on it, okay? I will. The dresser, the second dresser, my boyfriend helped me move it, so it's over there now, but it's still there. My dad, I think, is gonna come later in the week and help me get that out, because it's just kind of sitting in the middle of my apartment, like at a second dresser. It's definitely not supposed to be there. I need to figure out what I'm wearing today. We're podcasting today, so I'll just get a few more clips of today. The only 2 new products in the routine, besides what I showed you guys in that new video I posted a few weeks ago, like my makeup routine. These are the 2 new things in the makeup routine that I think are keeping my skin really glowy. This is the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation that I've talked about. Really, really good. I actually mixed this with the foundation because this is a pretty full coverage foundation. This is a little bit lighter. Together, chef's kiss. But you could also, I've been wearing this just plain too, but on filming days I go like a little medium coverage because, you know, the studio lights are boom, they're there. This is the blush that I've been loving. So I do my foundation and then I put on the blush and then I do like setting powders and things like that because this blush is, it's just so pretty. It's the Bionic blush. I think it's in the shade Teleport. Milk Makeup. I've never been a cream blush gal, like really ever, because I was always scared of it and thought that it would be like too pigmented. But basically I just take a little bit of like a little amount and I dab it right there on my cheek. And it creates this like really girly, like pretty flushed look, I think. I used to be so scared of blush because I'd be like, I don't want to look like a clown. But I feel like it's such a look right now and I'm loving it. Anyway, sweater from Everlane, leggings Everlane. I'm about to change though into something a little more bright for a recording day. I'm debating what I should do for lunch. I have Freshly meals. Let's see. I think I'm gonna wear this sweater to record. It's from Fashion Pass rented. I have to do some tidying, but I'm eating, literally shoveling this into my mouth. I didn't even take the plastic off. That's kind of gross. It is the Freshly white bean turkey chili bowl. It has like rice in it. It's so good. I'm about to finish it. I was not expecting to like it this much. Really good. I don't know what pants to wear. I don't want to wear leggings, but they're so comfy. I don't want to take these off. They're from Everlane. Makeup's done, so that's good. Head over to the studio. Recorded this week's episode. Come back, clean my apartment a little bit more. Okay, I was able to put together a look. Citizens of Humanity jeans, Steve Madden booties, and then the sweater. You'll only see like from here up as per usual when we record. So I'm happy with it. Yay. Bag packed for the studio, so let's head over there. Look who I'm back with. The gal.
Finally, the gals are back.
We're reunited.
We
have kind of matching nails, which is good because we're doing the shoot tomorrow, so.
Yeah, wait, that was
I know.
perfect. The shoot tomorrow's gonna be.
I didn't give many details. I'm keeping it vague, actually. I don't even think I mentioned that, but tomorrow we're doing a merch shoot. I think I showed them, I didn't show the merch, I like showed my reaction to getting it.
Aww, I
think
love that.
in one of the videos because I was like, I'm not gonna release it.
It's so good.
So good. So we're gonna record an episode right now, getting all the cameras and everything set up. It's a really like quiet day. There's a lot of people always ask us like,
our neighbors moved.
Yeah, they were like a bunch of guys like kind of around our age and it looks like they moved.
I'm like, were they annoyed with us?
I know, no, people always comment, they're like, do you guys think that the noise travels? But the thing is, it's a communal office. Like, there's no like hush requirement. Like, people are making noise all day long. There's people in the hallway taking conference calls and like.
Yeah, they take calls. They'll be talking about
whatever. Sometimes we hear them, whatever, but it looks like a lot of these offices are particularly empty, which is, I'm not gonna say it's a bad thing for us.
And then conveniently.
Oh, this was so cute. They brought us this little basket. Gals in the Go team. And it has a Starbucks gift card and they gave us like, I love these pens.
They're congratulating us on like
launching the YouTube. Yeah.
And this goes with their office too.
I know, they did such a good job. They're so cute.
I know.
Love this building. Okay, we recorded. It went really, really well. Catching up on last week's Bachelor and I ordered my new addiction, which is this chopped salad. It is so good. I also get chips because why not? I got salt and vinegar this time. Palm Beach salad with chicken. It's so good. It's like parts of palm, tomato, just so, so good. Craving a salad tonight. I ate wings and pizza and really everything that I wanted to this weekend. So I was like, today, Brooke, we get a salad. Well, I guess I showed you guys I had that Freshly meal before. So today, the theme of today is balance. Avocado in here too. Really good. I am going to continue finishing up past week's Bachelor and then Danielle is gonna come over and we will watch this week's together. We've never watched it together, which is so crazy, but yeah. I made Danielle and I some hot cocoa. Cheers, buddy. Yeah. We're watching Batch. I'm trying to live tweet, it's hard.
Am I distracting you from your art?
No, we're having great convo. There's not really much to tweet about right now. The drama's kind of stupid in my opinion.
It's stupid. I'm over Shrimpgate.
Finished Bachelor. I don't know. What are we thinking about this season? I want to hear everybody's thoughts. Had higher hopes for it because it's just kind of like stupid drama at this point. Cleaned up around here. That was so fun having Danielle over. I'm gonna end off this vlog here because I'm gonna start another one tomorrow. Love you guys so, so much. I did make my bed. It's the beautiful things. I'm about to read my book. I don't know what that hand motion was. I'm about to read my book. I'm about halfway through with it. Elin Hildebrand, What Happens in Paradise, the second book in the summer winter series is really good. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Bye.